Hello everybody. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So for this one, that is about x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and then we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. This one, we know that we have negative number 1, so we have 1 minus x to the power of n plus 1 over negative number 1, and we have n plus 1. So we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. For this one, we put number 1 gone here, number 0 gone here. So we have 1 to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 minus number 0 to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1. Now for this one, we put number 1 gone here. So we got like this. Minus, we have number 1 minus number 0. So this one you got number 0, so we just cancel this one. 1 minus 1, you got number 0, we cancel this one. So 1 to the power of n plus 1, we got number 1. So negative and negative, we have positive. 1 to the power of this one, we have number 1. So we can see that this one and this one, they are the same. So that means for all the value of n. So that is about E. This is the end. Thank you for watching.